Hey there, Spencer here with Rainforest Plumbing Air. At Rainforest, we've been helping customers solve plumbing problems for over 25 years. And if there's one thing we've learned, it's that no one wants to tear up their yard or living space to fix a sewer line. That's where trenchless sewer repair has become the best option for many types of issues. It's our most efficient, non-invasive solution to sewer line problems. No digging required. Today, I'll walk you through what trenchless sewer repair is and why it works and how we do it here at Rainforest. First, let's talk about why you would need sewer repair in the first place. There are many reasons, but a few are situations like cast iron pipes that have decayed, or when root intrusions create weak points in the sewer line that will persist even if the roots are cleared out. In the past, the only way to fix a broken sewer line was to dig it out. Sewer lines can be several feet underground, and repairing them was difficult and dangerous. In addition to the repair cost itself, restoring landscaping and flooring increased the total investment. So, what is a trenchless sewer repair exactly? After we've identified if a sewer line is a good candidate, we insert a liner or use a special epoxy-based coating that seals over cracks, corrosion, or root intrusion points. We then use more specialized equipment with UV light to harden the lining. This creates a seamless repair that will last for a long time. The first step to take if you suspect your property is a candidate for pipe restoration techniques is to get a sewer camera inspection. That camera inspection will help us spot any blockages, damage, or corrosion, and we can create a plan for repair. Once we have the details, we'll give you a clear upfront estimate right then and there. No surprises. And with our same day and 24/7 emergency service, we can usually start the repair within 24 to 48 hours. During the repair, we keep everything clean and efficient, and we keep you in the loop every step of the way. Once the new lining is in, it'll seal over any damage and prevent future issues, and will last for many decades to come, all without having to restore landscaping or flooring. So there's your crash course on pipe coating and lining. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tips. You can also check out other videos or visit askrain.com for more plumbing knowledge. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.